Yo, this is Mr. Zero and Two, Mr. Local, Mr. Pitori, guys. As you know. Guys, this is how the market has evolved. This is how the market has changed. Let's say the market is moving. It's moving like this. It gets into this area as it is moving normally. So once it gets here, what the market tend to do is that it can do a small pullback down. People who are going to think this area is the best area for them to enter for sale, then it pushes up, right? Then from pushing up here, it does something that we call mass psychology. Mass psychology is whereby it flashes everybody. Everybody thinks, okay, it broke the structure, it's coming back to retest, then yeah, we're gonna continue with it. Then there's no such a thing. What it does is that wait for it to come back inside here. It will give you some sort of a clear movement, a correction or some sort. Then it drops back to this area. Back to this area. Then even at this area, it can start forming something small, break, do a mass psychology again, come back down inside here. Then when it's inside here, then it starts doing something to give you a clear sign, then pushes back to this direction. Maybe then continue later. So the important thing is that there are people who are going to force to take sells here. Then those guys, they're the first people to be taken out. Then there are the second guys who are also going to try to buy it from here, thinking that okay, since it broke this structure, it's coming back into retest, then it's gonna continue. It doesn't work like that, guys. It doesn't really work like that. So also this one is going to also this one's with the buy, it's going to finish them here by continue deep down here. It's gonna blow their accounts. So the best thing is to wait for something like this. Just wait for a smaller continuation, especially if you are around an area like a top or a bottom or a nice area that you are thinking the market might turn from that area. That's where you should be careful. That's where you should really open your eyes. Look for such small areas. Then once you get such a small area, your entry could be around here. Then stop loss 2 pips, something above here. Something small above here. Yeah, your stop loss is above here. One of the good things to catch this kind of moves is to put an order, uh, a sell stop, an order, something, or you can even just enter inside here. But entering inside here is also risky. You get my point? So it's also risky. Just wait for it to pull back down and do its thing. Then from there, then that's how you enter it. And this thing, it's gonna give you the same stuff even here. Here, people are going to think, it's retesting, it's gonna now sell. They enter sell, it breaks, it kills the mess, it kills the whole people who are greedy, it kills people. Yo, I just got an alert, USD crossed. Ish. I want to trade it, but it's fine. I'll take it after. No problem. So, what this thing does is that it kills the people that are selling already here. So after killing them, it breaks people who thinks this is support or resistance or whatever it is called. They are going to start buying, especially when it comes back here. They say if they break and retest, and they're expecting it from this point to go. Then with that as well, it also finishes their account. So the new thing is to wait for it to come back inside, give you some sort of a small continuation. Then what you do is that you put an entry here, then your stop loss it comes about here 2 pips, 3 pips here. Then it can be an order or just you taking the trade. Then from there you take it. This is the structure. This is how the market moves. This is just the normal thing. This is how the new structure is, especially when it comes to the lows or to the lows or the highs. This is how you are supposed to take the trade. This is how you are supposed to do the thing. For example, now I can say, okay, it's fine. Let's go to the US 30. This US 30, I'm trying to show you guys something. The US 30, guys, here. The US 30 here. The US 30, as you can see, this is the high. As much as this is a high, now because it's at a high, I would personally now go into a lower time frame. The lower time frame that I normally don't go at. I only go to the lower time frame if it's at what? The high or the low. So then I go to 5 minutes. 5 minutes to refine my entries. So when I say refine my entries is to get the exact placed enter. So now I want you guys to look at this. So this is the high, right? So as is the high, it came back here, touched the high, then it dropped. Lots of people put cells here. Sell, 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 sell. I'm sure they've blown. I'm sure it took them out. It took all of them out. It made sure that they learned that this is not a place to enter. So what I do is that I wait for it to break. Then when it breaks, it also comes back down here. They think the break and retest, they start buying. Then from here, it also cleans them out. It kills them. The market has changed. The market has evolved. If you are not moving with the new times, you are definitely dead. You are definitely out. So this is now where you put your orders. You see, this is what I told you guys about. This is where you put your orders. You put your orders. You can put the stop loss here if you have a big account or somewhere above here. Then you know that it's an order. You are waiting for the market just to spike. When it comes, it starts spiking down. You are all in. And secondly, if you don't see, and another thing is that we also get another entry in case if you missed that one, right? If you missed that one, there's this one as well here. You just put this here. What did we expect? We expected the market. Let me do this. What did we expect? We expected the market to come, right? The market did come here. What did it do? It gave us it gave us another continuation. You understand? And if you don't know how to take this kind of continuation, these ones are also nice. If you don't know how to trade them, then it's also fine. You also got this one again. So with this one again, what you do is that you put an order. You just use this thing. You put an order here. There's no way that you can catch it. This thing can correct so for so long that when it starts moving, when you check, it's already gone. It's already spiked down or it's already gone. So this one needs order. You need to just put an order or one two pips maybe above where you think okay this one maybe it's enough, maybe above this high or something. Then you put the entry there. Then from there, trust me, it's gone. That's how you take a trade from the top or from the bottom. Same story. That's just how you take a trade. This could have been so many nice trades. But anyway, thank you guys. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your week. Danke.